Hey everyone, and welcome to AutoGPT Tutorials. In this video, we're going to talk about the top trending AI and AutoGPT projects. AI is rapidly changing the world, and there are many exciting new projects being developed. In this video, I'll highlight some of the most promising AI and AutoGPT projects that are making waves in the industry. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, I encourage you to watch this video and learn more about the top trending AI and AutoGPT projects. And if you're new in my channel and interested in learning more about AI and AutoGPT, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing new videos on a regular basis, so you'll never miss a thing. Let's get started. Project number 1, GPT Researcher. GPT Researcher is an autonomous agent designed for comprehensive online research on a variety of tasks. It can produce detailed, factual, and unbiased research reports, with customization options for focusing on relevant resources, outlines, and lessons. The project is hosted on GitHub by Asif. The tool supports features like generating research reports, outlining, aggregating web sources, web scraping, keeping track of sources, and exporting reports. The main idea is to run planner and execution agents, whereas the planner generates questions to research, and the execution agents seek the most related information based on each generated research question. Finally, the planner filters and aggregates all related information and creates a research report. The agents leverage both GPT-3, 5 Turbo 16K, and GPT-4 to complete a research task. Imagine you're a student working on a thesis. Instead of spending weeks scouring the internet, GPT Researcher can produce a detailed, unbiased research report in a fraction of the time. But it's not just for students. Business professionals can leverage GPT Researcher for market research, competitive analysis, and more, ensuring they stay ahead of the curve. GPT Researcher, inspired by groundbreaking works like AutoGPT and the Plan and Solve paper, this tool is built to address challenges of speed, determinism, and accuracy in online research. GPT Researcher is more than just a tool. It's a game changer for anyone seeking accurate, comprehensive, and unbiased online research. To use GPT Researcher, you can download the project from GitHub and install dependencies. You can also configure your OpenAI key to use it. And if you are interested to create full video for how to install and use GPT Researcher, then comment now. And if interested to learn more about this project, then visit project's GitHub page. Project number 2, Dr. GPT. The latest GitHub project called Dr. GPT by Suraj Ravel. It is an open-source project that aims to provide everyone with their own private doctor. It is a large language model, LLM, that has been fine-tuned on a medical dialogue dataset and further improved using reinforcement learning and constitutional AI. Dr. GPT is only 3 gigabytes in size, so it can be run offline on any device. This ensures that your health data stays private. Here are some of the key features of Dr. GPT. It is a large language model with 7 billion parameters. This means that it has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code, which gives it the ability to understand and respond to a wide range of prompts and questions. It is fine-tuned on a medical dialogue dataset. This means that it has been trained on conversations between doctors and patients. This gives it the ability to understand medical terminology and to generate text that is relevant to healthcare. It is improved using reinforcement learning and constitutional AI. This means that it has been trained to generate text that is accurate, informative, and helpful. It is only 3 gigabytes in size. This means that it can be run offline on any device. This ensures that your health data stays private. Dr. GPT is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we access medical care. It could make healthcare more affordable and accessible, and it could help to improve the quality of care that people receive. Here are some of the things that Dr. GPT can do: answer medical questions, generate medical reports, provide symptom checkers, recommend treatments, scheduling appointments, translate medical documents, generate educational content about health topics. Dr. GPT is a powerful tool that has the potential to make a real difference in people's lives. It is still under development, but it is already making significant progress. I am excited to see how the project develops in the future. Overall, Dr. GPT is a promising project with the potential to revolutionize the way we access medical care. And if you are interested to learn more about this project, then watch full project video and visit on GitHub project page. Project number 3, FaceChain. The GitHub project FaceChain by ModelScope. It is a deep learning tool chain for generating digital twins of people. With a minimum of 1 portrait photo, users can create their own digital twin and generate personal photos in different settings. FaceChain is powered by ModelScope, a platform for managing and monitoring machine learning models. ModelScope provides a number of features that make it easy to use FaceChain, including a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to train and deploy the FaceChain model, a visualization dashboard that allows users to monitor the performance of the FaceChain model, a logging system that records all of the training and inference events, making it easy to debug and troubleshoot problems. FaceChain is still under development, but it has the potential to be a powerful tool for creating digital twins of people. The project is open source, so anyone can contribute to its development. Here are some of the key features of FaceChain. It can generate realistic images of people in different settings. It can be used to create digital twins of people for a variety of purposes, such as virtual try-on, video conferencing, and gaming. It is still under development, but it has already generated some impressive results. If you are interested in trying FaceChain, you can visit GitHub project page, link available in the description. Project number 4, AI Town. The AI Town project by a 16Z Infra. It is a deployable starter kit for building and customizing your own version of AI Town, a virtual town where AI characters live, chat, and socialize. AI Town is inspired by the research paper Generative Agents, Interactive Simulacra of Human Behavior. The paper proposes a new approach to creating AI characters that are more realistic and engaging. The AI Town project implements this approach and makes it easy for anyone to create their own virtual town. The AI Town project is still under development, but it has the potential to be a powerful tool for creating virtual worlds. The project is open source, so anyone can contribute to its development. Here are some of the key features of the AI Town project. It is a deployable starter kit that makes it easy to get started with AI Town. It includes a variety of pre-trained AI characters that can be used to populate your town. It provides a number of tools and resources for customizing your town, such as a map editor and a character creator. It is still under development, but it has already generated some impressive results. If you are interested in trying AI Town, you can find the GitHub repository here. https://github.com/a16z-infra/AI-town. AI Town is an inspirable project that has the potential to make a real difference in AI world. It is still under development, but it is already making significant progress. I am excited to see how the project develops in the future. Overall, AI Town is a promising project with the potential to revolutionize the AI agent works. And if you are interested to learn more about this project, then visit on GitHub project page. Project number 5, Focus, the GitHub project. Focus by Aliasville. It is an image-generating software that is based on the Stable Diffusion model. Focus is designed to be easy to use and does not require any manual tweaking of parameters. Users simply need to provide a prompt and an image, and Focus will generate an image that matches the prompt. Focus is still under development, but it has already generated some impressive images. For example, it can generate images of people, animals, landscapes, and objects. It can also generate images that are abstract or surreal. Here are some of the key features of Focus. It is offline, open source, and free. It does not require any manual tweaking of parameters. It can generate high-quality images. It is still under development, but it has already generated some impressive images. Here are some additional details about the Focus project. The project was created by Aliasville, a Japanese software engineer and AI researcher. The project was inspired by the Midjourney image generation software. Focus is based on the Stable Diffusion model, which is a type of diffusion model that is known for its ability to generate high-quality images. Focus is still under development, but it has already generated some impressive images. The project is open source, so anyone can contribute to its development. If you are interested in trying Focus, you can visit on project GitHub page link available in the description. That's all for today's video on the top trending AI and AutoGPT projects. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. In the comments below, let me know what you think are the most exciting AI and AutoGPT projects that I didn't mention in the video. Thank you for watching.